just trying to do you a good turn, dog. Now look what you done. You let a chick get out. Now run, dog. Get him before the weasel gets him. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick. There goes another one. Get him, get him, get him. Here's a whole mess of them, dog. Better round them up. Hey, cut that out. I say that dog's busier than a centipede at a toe counting contest. Here, hold these while I open the gate. Oh, no, you don't. Come back here. Now, beat it. Say, dog, this knot hole seems to be loose. I better glue it tight before a chick gets out. Hey, give me that. I ought to myrtleize the big overstuffed feather duster. Dog, I say, hey, dog, what am I doing on the outside of the fence? I belong on the inside. I demand you put me back where I belong. Dog, all right, I'll put yous back. Somebody close the door. I feel a draft. Hey, Weasel. Look, boy, don't waste your time with those little yellow fuzz balls. What you want's a nice, big, eating chicken, right? Now, like I was saying, I know where there's a nice, big, fine-eating Red Island road. You just wait right here, and when you hear me whistle, come a-running. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come and get it! Uh-oh. Now look, Weasel, you don't want no dog, which I'm. What you want's a chicken. Well, I know where there's a big, fat, loudmouth slob of a rooster, and I'll tell yous how we'll get him. Now you take this piece of chalk and this mallet, and then you come on. Somebody knocked. Ain't you ashamed? Intoxicated. Oh, that's ridiculous. I'm a teetotaler. Yeah, I'll never touch the stuff, boy. Yeah, that's what they all say. Come on, let's see you walk this straight line. Perfectly absurd. Why, there's nothing to walk. I say there's nothing to walk in a straight line. Boy, why, anybody can walk straight. Must be gonna rain. My corn's hurt. Say, something's burning. My foot's getting hotter than a sweatband in a fireman's helmet. Ouch! 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 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I can't stand to hear the big schnook suffering like that. Yow! Ah, that's better. Yow!
What a day for tramping through the woods.
I'm a chicken. Rooster, that is.
Don't give me that. You're not a chicken.
What am I then, boy?
You're a loudmouth schnook.
Look here, son. I'm no loudmouth snook. This is a dog, not a chicken. Chickens don't look like dogs. Who told you this was a chicken, son? Nice boy, but doesn't listen to a word you say. Now, what's that? I say, now, what's that boy up to? Better check on it, yeah. Hey, boy, what's going on here? What you trying to do? Oh, no, back off there, son. You'll never do it. You're not strong enough. Job like this, you gotta have a know-how. There you are, boy. Your pumpkin is tied down pretty.
Got a match, mister?
Match? Match? Yeah, here you are, boy. Don't set the world on fire. These kids coming up nowadays don't even know how to tie down their pumpkins. Why, when I was a boy, Say, I never tied down no pumpkins. Hey, son, what you tying down a pumpkin for? What's it? Ask a silly question, get a silly answer.
Love that dog.
Now, who's responsible? I say, who's responsible for this unwarranted attack on my person? Aha! Of course, you know, this means war. Hey, boy, what's the idea of jacking that pot up under me? Jack? Pot? Jackpot. Yeah, that's a joke, son. Don't you get it? I made a funny, son, and you're not laughing. I say that boy's just like a tattoo. Gets under your skin. I know what a real boy likes to play. Here. Hey, boy, take that ball out of your mouth. Haven't you ever seen a baseball before? Haven't you ever played baseball? There's something kind of about a kid that's never played baseball. Okay, boy, I'll learn you the game. Now, we got the ball, and this is a bat. You know what the bat's for? No, boy, you're supposed to hit the ball with it. The ball! I'm a lucky fisherman, doo-dah, a doo-dah. What happened to you, dog? You look like 2 miles of bad road. What you doing there, dog? Now cut that out, boy, or I'll spank you where the feathers are thinnest. Nice boy, but he's got more nerve than a bum tooth. Now, what's that kid doing in the barn? Don't touch it, boy! Get away! This is dangerous, son. You gotta know how to handle it. One wrong move and you're done for. Pay attention, son. This is for your own good. That dog is lower than a snake full of buckshot. Well, I'll just have to pay a visit to that blubber-headed hound and gently break him in two with my good right arm. Don't look so good. Muscles getting kind of flabby. Whoa, mule! Whoa! Whoa, mule! Whoa, I say whoa! Whoa! Oh, come on, mule! Whoa! Look at me when I'm talking, son. Now, you stand right here. You're not looking at me, boy. I'll tell you when to move.
Okay.
Three, two, one, oh, oh. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Oh, doo-dah day. La-da-doo-da-dee-da-da. Doo-dah, doo-dah. La-da-doo-da-dee-da-da. That's it, boy. Tug hard.
Harder, 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 hardy, Well, I say back to the old drawing board. Somebody knocked. Fortunately, I keep my feathers numbered for just such an emergency. Oh, a-doo-da-dee!
You gotta keep your eye on the ball. Eyeball. I almost had a gag, son. Joke, that is. You're way off. I say you're way off this time, son. You caught yourself a trunk. Nice kid, but a little dumb. Any of this getting through to you, son? Hold still, boy, while I get this vanishing cream on you. It's gonna make you invisible, so the pheasant can't see you. Where'd you go, boy? I say, you plumb vanished.
Here I am. Over here. Here I am.
I know you're around, boy. I can hear you, but I can't see you. Oh, it don't matter none. Go get the pheasant. He won't see you neither. Nice mannered kid, just a little on the dumb side.
Go get him! Pay attention, boy. I'm cutting, but you ain't bleeding. Go get him! Like beating a dead horse. He's got no get up and go.
Well, let's see what you're making there, boy. Looks like sody pop. Watch it fizz. Now, look here, son. You're not doing that right. Give me that, boy. I'll show you how. I say you gotta know how to play with them. Tease them a little. Then hook them when they strike. Any of this sinking in, boy? Hey, I've got one, boy. Watch me pull him up.
How gabby can a chicken get?
You'll never catch nothing in that contraption. The principle's all wrong. Look, I can step in it, nothing happens. I can make off with a bait, nothing happens. I can jump over it, nothing happens. Hey, boy. Got any more of those long-haired books?
I say you gotta keep on your toes. Toes, that is.